In this video, I'll break down the top 5 car jump starters, and which car jump starter I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked pick, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best car jump starter and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the Michelin Lithium Iron Phosphate Jump Starter. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice for those on a budget. Its standout feature is the advanced lithium iron phosphate battery, which ensures durability and safety while delivering a peak current of 500 amps. This makes it capable of jump-starting gas engines up to 6 liters and diesel engines up to 4 liters. The device includes an IntelliStep LED jump guide, providing clear step-by-step instructions and reverse polarity protection for added safety. Beyond jump starting, this model doubles as a power bank with USB-C and USB-A ports, allowing fast charging of mobile devices. Its rugged design is IP64 splash resistant, making it suitable for various weather conditions. The integrated LED flashlight with multiple modes, beam, strobe, and SOS is invaluable for nighttime use or signaling for help. Compact yet powerful, this jump starter is a dependable companion for drivers seeking convenience and peace of mind on the road. At number 4, we have the Scosche PBJ600. The Scosche PBJ600 stands out for its reliable 600 amp peak power, capable of jump-starting gas engines up to 4 and diesel engines up to 2 liters. Its lithium-ion battery offers over 1,000 charge cycles and can hold a charge for up to 6 months, ensuring it's ready when needed. The built-in power boost feature is particularly effective for completely drained batteries, while the spark-free 6-point safety system protects against overheating, short circuits, and reverse polarity. This jump starter doubles as a power bank with a 5-volt USB port, making it versatile for charging devices like smartphones or tablets. Additionally, the ultra-bright LED flashlight includes multiple modes, standard, strobe, and SOS, making it an excellent tool for emergencies in low-light conditions. Its compact and durable design ensures easy storage in your glove compartment or trunk while maintaining long-term reliability. At number 3, we have the Schumacher DSR118. The Schumacher DSR118 delivers robust performance with its 125 amp engine start capability, making it a reliable tool for jump-starting vehicles even in challenging conditions. It supports both 6-volt and 12-volt batteries, catering to a wide range of vehicles from cars to larger trucks. The fully automatic functionality simplifies operation, while features like reverse hookup protection enhance safety during use. Built for durability, the DSR118 boasts a heavy-duty design with premium components, ensuring long-lasting reliability. Its high-impact molded case adds to its rugged build quality, making it suitable for professional environments. The unit also includes advanced features like service mode, which maintains battery charge during extended maintenance or display periods, and boost mode for faster charging. The DSR118's versatility and power make it ideal for both routine maintenance and emergency situations. At number 2, we have the DeWalt DXAELJ16. This is our runner-up pick and stands out for its impressive 1600 peak amps of power, making it capable of jump-starting vehicles with engines up to V8. This compact and portable jump starter is built with a lithium-ion battery, which not only delivers reliable performance, but also allows for up to 35 jump starts on a single charge. Its ability to hold a charge for up to 6 months ensures it's ready when you need it, and it recharges in as little as 5 hours. The build quality is robust, with powder-coated metal clamps providing durability and a strong grip. The unit incorporates reverse polarity protection, a critical safety feature that ensures proper cable connection. The inclusion of both USB-A and USB-C ports transforms the DXAELJ16 into a versatile power bank, capable of charging smartphones, tablets, and other devices on the go. This makes it especially handy for emergencies or extended trips. Another highlight is the integrated bright LED work light, which is invaluable for nighttime roadside repairs or other low-light situations. While compact and easy to store, the device comes with a carry bag for added convenience. At number 1, we have the Schumacher DSR166. This is the best car jump starter you can buy on the market and is a powerful and reliable jump starter, designed to handle a variety of vehicle needs with ease. Its standout feature is the 2200 peak amps, providing enough power to jumpstart large engines, including trucks and SUVs. This unit is equipped with a durable AGM battery, known for its longevity and ability to perform well in extreme temperatures, making it dependable in various conditions. The heavy-duty clamps and 2-gauge cables ensure a solid connection and efficient power transfer, which is crucial for quick and effective jump starts. One of the most practical features is the built-in automatic charger that keeps the internal battery maintained when plugged in, so it's always ready for use. The reverse polarity alarm is a thoughtful safety addition, preventing potential damage from incorrect connections. The inclusion of a 12-volt DC outlet adds versatility, allowing you to power other devices on the go. Its rugged build quality features a sturdy housing that feels solid and durable, designed to withstand tough environments. The DSR166 also includes an easy-to-read digital display that provides clear information about the battery status and charge level, which is especially helpful for monitoring during use. It's compact yet robust, offering portability without compromising on performance. So that sums up my top 5 car jump starters I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.